Well, I started Margot and Max after I lost a job that I held for about 4 years. I went in for my annual review, and instead of getting a raise, I got fired. And I decided right then and there that I was not going to work for anyone. I didn't want to feel the way that I felt. I never wanted to feel that way again. So I decided right then and there that I was going to start my own business. And I started with one pair of earrings and a Facebook page, really, with one client who was an attorney. And she was going to the Barristers Ball and she needed some accessories. I put a pair of earrings up on Facebook. She saw them, liked them, and came to buy them. And while she was at my house, she said, "What else do you have?" And I went upstairs to my own closet and grabbed a handbag and grabbed a pair of shoes and showed them to her and told her that they looked nice with her dress, and she ended up buying them. I think customer service is something that is a thing of the past, unfortunately. You go into stores now and things are piled up on tables or they're piled up on the floor. Even in the shoe department, there are no salespeople. It's self-service now. You go into places where there used to be customer service and you could set off a bomb and not hurt anybody because there's nobody in the store. And I think that people are missing that. You get great customer service at Neiman Marcus, you get great customer service at Nordstrom, but everyone can't afford to shop at Neiman Marcus and Nordstrom, and I believe that everybody deserves great customer service. So I built my business based on customer service, on waiting on my customer hand and foot, literally. I like color and I like patterns a lot. One of the things that we thought about when we designed our space was how to make everything else in the room pop. So we did the walls in a charcoal gray so that everything else would pop. And so I feel happy when I come to work and come into the space. And I want other people to feel that way as well. So I try to ensure that we have a lot of different patterns and different styles and textures for our clients. I like to see ladies in solids and patterns and kind of mix those things up, because you can mix solids and patterns and you can mix patterns as well. But it just gives me a happy feeling to be around so much color and so many cool things within our space. And other people feel the same way. People come to Margot and Max and they tend to kind of linger. They want to come and kind of hang out, and that's why we made the space really comfortable so that people would want to come and stay. And when we have our sip and shops and things like that, ladies walk in and they're shocked that this is a boutique that carries previously loved clothing. They walk in and say, "This stuff is used, it's all previously loved," but we're very, very particular about what we put into our store. And so we want it to have a certain feel. I really, really enjoy helping women look fabulous and feel fabulous on a budget. I love it. And it's not about buying stuff. It's about feeling great, looking great, and building a wardrobe and building relationships. That's what this is about.